2014 Buick LaCrosse. Very clean. Local trade-in. Walk on over here. Both sides look good. Tires look excellent. Try to zoom in a little bit better here. I don't see any dings or dents here at all. Engine sounds really good. Back end, dual exhaust, backup sensors. There is a small speck right here of some sort. Probably easy fix. Walk around on this side. Passive entry. Hit that button on the doorknob to lock and unlock the vehicle. Oh, excuse me. Leather seats. Remote start. Controls on the steering wheel. And it smells clean, non-smoker, and no pets.